Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have 3 DIY refreshing sugar scrubs. This first sugar scrub is a lime basil sugar scrub, and you will need 1 cup of organic sugar, a half cup of fractionated coconut oil, 15 drops of lime essential oil, and 8 drops of basil essential oil. I get my essential oils from various locations, and my fractionated coconut oil, I get it through Vitacost. I have a mixing bowl here and spoon, along with containers to store my sugar scrubs. These sugar scrubs are perfect for giving as a gift or for yourself to eliminate all that dead skin cell that's on your body after a day at the ocean or pool or on the lake. I'm basically taking all of my ingredients and adding it into my mixing bowl. And once all my ingredients are in the mixing bowl, I'm going to give it a good stir. Now I'm going to put the sugar scrub into a container. I like to use plastic containers because I do put this in my shower or bathtub, and just in case I drop it, I don't want it to crack and break and have glass on the bottom of my bathtub. Sugar scrubs are so perfect for taking dead skin cell off of your skin and exfoliating, and they're perfect anytime throughout the year, but I love to use them every season, especially in the summertime and fall and the winter. Our next sugar scrub is a honey vanilla brown sugar scrub, and this will require 1 cup of organic brown sugar, a half cup of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 20 drops of vanilla essential oil. As before, you're going to take all the ingredients into your mixing bowl and give it a good stir. Sugar scrubs are not only easy to make, but they're very affordable and they're all natural. I love making these and not buying them in the store because they're easy, affordable, and natural, and you know exactly what ingredients you're putting into your sugar scrub and onto your body. Putting your scrubs into pretty containers make it great for gift giving. I like to put these in nice containers and put pretty labels on top and give them as gifts. Our last and final sugar scrub is a green tea and aloe sugar scrub. For this, you will need 1 cup of organic sugar, a half cup of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of aloe, and 1 green tea bag that is loose. So I basically took a green tea bag, cut it open, and took the inside for this sugar scrub. In a large mixing bowl, put all the ingredients inside and give it a good stir. And then you're going to place the scrub inside your nice containers with your label. I love going on Pinterest and reading all the amazing body sugar scrub combinations that everyone makes. It makes me in such a great mood to concoct my own. I love making scrubs with different ingredients, using essential oils and things around the home, and of course they are a better price than buying them, and you know exactly what is in them, and they're super affordable and natural. So I hope you enjoyed my 3 DIY sugar scrubs. If you love DIY videos, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share this video with anyone that you can think of that would enjoy it. And remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and give me a like if this is the type of videos you do enjoy, so I know to continue making DIY videos for you. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you guys all real soon.